welcome to this video by Vectis 3D Models, and we're here today looking at the KR Models Bulleid Leader, and we're looking at replacing that whistle which may have gone missing whilst in shipping. So I have 3D printed some replacement whistles which you can see here, and I'm also the unfortunate lucky owner of a KR Bulleid Leader with a missing whistle as well as a few lamp irons. So in this video you can purchase these whistles from my site on MadeMe or even on eBay, and you will need the tools of some flash cutters, a file, and also a 0.7 or 0.6mm drill bit in a small pin vise. You'll also need your model, which you can see here, and without further ado, let's crack on. So now I have my model nice and secure in my hands, I can now start to work on this front end of this model. So take your drill, your 0.6 or 7mm drill in your pin vise, and just make sure, or try to get it around or in the black plastic where the other one broke off from. Luckily these new ones are nice and sharp, so it shouldn't be a problem. Just make sure it goes all the way through. This one's actually locked in place by the looks of it. There we go. All the way through. Wipe away the swarf. Then we are ready to fit the new whistle. And there we have it, one replaced whistle. Now I've just stuck the whistle in with a little bit of acrylic varnish, which you've seen, which you will see a little bit later on, but there goes just some Vallejo satin varnish, which is acrylic, and that just holds that in place quite nicely and does the job. There we go, as you can see, all on, neat and tidy. No drama, no fuss, and pretty simple. So here we have the finally fitted whistle on the front of the KR Bulleid Leader. So this will be available from eBay and MadeMe shops for the price of £2.50. Of course that's pre-painted as well. Unfortunately on eBay, of course, there is an additional fee on top of that, which is what they call buyer protection fee, so it will be slightly inflated, shall we say. Any questions, please feel free to post them below. The links to the items will be in the description, and apart from that, have fun, happy modelling, and I hope it helps.